Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So, most of you know that we have been working with Google Ads management, Facebook Ads management, SEO services, and we also help clients with Google Ads, suspension, restorations, and GMC ads, Google Merchant Center ads, and restoration. So, after working in these fields for a while, we have got an ample of big checklist for Google Ads. We got 60 steps, and for Google Merchant Center, we got around 70 steps. And if you combine them together, it's going to be like 130 steps checklist, which we are going to use to help clients. And today I am here with an amazing case study regarding Google Ads, which disapproved. The ads were disapproved for two primary reasons. One was Google Ads were disapproved for misrepresentation. Also, the Google Ads were disapproved for compromise side. So, when the client came to us, and when the client shared the account with us, and we had a detailed meeting on the Zoom as well for approximately 20 minutes, where the client, she shared her that her account was also got unsuspended, but she got her account unsuspended, but still she was having issues with misrepresentation and compromise side. There was another error being shown on the account as well, and that was for destination not working, but she got it sorted. Let me show you as well, so you guys have an idea. So if I run it for this month, okay, so you can see that the account is now finally restored and running ads. But if I show you the appeal history, you can see over here that the account is still suspended for like three reasons: misrepresentation, failed, destination mismatch failed, successful, but compromise site failed. So you can see that the account had two issues: misrepresentation and compromise site. If you look around on the notifications, you're gonna see that an account is unsuspended, which I told you that the client was able to get the account restored by themselves, but still had these restoration issues, like ads disapprovals on the account. If I restore in front of you guys to make sure that I am not editing anything, so if I restore refresh, you can still see that the misrepresentation was not reviewed because it was excessively done. Once it's being excessively done, the Google will now stop even reviewing it, and you are getting the fail status on misrepresentation and on compromise side. Now there were two reasons, and you can also understand the frustration of the client, because it is now necessary for the client to frustrate. But gladly she was very helpful and very supportive with me. We had a quick discussion. She discussed with me, and we also had a prior agreement that we are not going to do any changes on the website or any changes on an ads without her approval, which I committed on myself and on behalf of my team. Because I always credit my team. Because it's always a combined work, and I like to give credits where due. So credits to my team as well. So she was also looking for that time turnaround time for the accounts ads to be restored. So firstly I gave her 6 days, but to be on safe side, I said like, just allow us 12 days, to I wanted to be on the safe side. So but we were able to get it restored within 72 hours. So yeah, thank you. Like, we were able to get it restored in 72 hours. So basically, you can still see that although these things are failed, but if I open the campaign, and you can see that all the ads are eligible now. You can see over here as well that all the ads are eligible. You can see like this, and if I scroll, you can see that everything is eligible, and there is no such thing as shown that ads are not approved. And you can still see the spending as well on on this account. So I cannot show you the website without client permission, so you may see the website link, ad copies, and everything as blur. But what we are going to show you over here is that we got it restored, even though it's still showing in an appeal history as failed. or not reviewed. So how we did it? Because I told you in the start that we are a Google partner company, and we help clients in Google Ads management, Facebook Ads management, SEO services. And because uh, the Google Ads disapproval was one such an issue. So I we when we discussed on the website, we look I we had a internal team meeting on the account case. And we looked around on the website, we looked around the ads, copies, and everything. Because I told you, like, we have a 130 step checklist which ensures uh, that there are no any possible violations on an account which are causing an issue. But for compromise sites, we have, like, has helped hundreds of case studies. And this was with compromise site plus misrepresentation ads, and the account was also approved, but still, like, the account was unsuspended, but still the ads were unapproved. And this was a very cause of issue, concern for the client. So once we did our audit, once we did our discussions, internal discussions, we were finally able to get back with the Google team. As a Google partner, we are being provided with a dedicated support. We discussed with the Google team on an account. We discussed when we did a malware scanner, we did a virus check, we did a plagiarism check. We have so many, 130 steps is a huge checklist which we did to get all the issues sorted out. But frankly speaking, there was no issue on the website, or there was no such issue on the ad copies which were causing an issue of ads being disapproved. So which made us fairly confident that we are on the right path. So why it's getting disapproved? So we did a discussion with the Google team on this. And I am very helpful with the Google team, who and along my team, who was constantly in touch in getting the account restored. And also my client, who had a confidence on me and my team. And yeah, we got it restored through a manual review by the team. You can see that the appeal history has still failed, but we got the account restored, we got the ads restored, recovered, and being approved. So yeah, this is another successful case study. So if your Google ads are being distributed for any reason, malicious software, unreliable claims, compromised site, misrepresentation, or any issue, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the one of the links in the description, and we're going to help you out. If you need Google Ads Management, Facebook Ads Management, SEO, web development services, me and my team can also help you. The links again is in the description of this video and how you can work with us. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.